Privacy isn't just a debate for today, it's a battlefield for the future. Two technologies are reshaping that battlefield: artificial intelligence and quantum computing. Let's explore how both could either strengthen privacy or shatter it. Artificial intelligence, surveillance at scale. AI is already powering the tools that track us every day. It can analyze patterns, identify behavior, recognize faces, flag anomalies, all faster and more accurately than humans ever could. Used by governments, corporations, and cybercriminals, AI has made mass surveillance scalable. Examples include facial recognition in public spaces, behavioral prediction algorithms, real-time social media monitoring, AI-enhanced threat detection on darknet forums. In short, AI can find needles in digital haystacks, including yours. But it's not all bad news. AI is also being used to defend privacy. AI-based anti-tracking tools can block invasive ads and fingerprinting. It can power smart anomaly detection in cybersecurity, and even help automate encryption and privacy audits. Like any tool, it depends on who's wielding it. Quantum computing, the end of encryption. Quantum computing is still in its early stages, but it poses one of the biggest threats to privacy we've ever seen. Why? Because it can break encryption. Today's encryption, like RSA or ECC, relies on math problems that would take classical computers millions of years to solve. Quantum computers, using something called Shor's algorithm, could solve those problems in minutes. That means everything from your VPN traffic to Bitcoin wallets to encrypted chat apps could become vulnerable. Governments and tech companies are already racing to build quantum-resistant encryption, also called post-quantum cryptography, before the threat becomes real. But the clock is ticking. The arms race for privacy. AI and quantum aren't inherently good or bad. They're accelerants. They amplify both control and freedom. Used responsibly, AI can protect systems and flag cyber threats before they spread. Used maliciously, it becomes the ultimate surveillance engine. Quantum computing could lead to revolutionary science and medicine. Or it could render our entire digital world transparent, unless we prepare. So, what does this mean for you? It means the tools you use today may not protect you tomorrow. Privacy isn't static. It evolves, and so must we. As AI grows smarter and quantum becomes real, we'll need smarter encryption, transparent oversight, and a deeper understanding of the tech we rely on. The fight for privacy won't end. It will change shape. And staying informed will always be your best defense.